don't know if y'all can hear me on the microphone, but we'll want to line up in order of your wristbands.
Go sit down, Chicky.
You can tell.
Alright, Cheese didn't want to Cheese didn't want to do the lift trip one. It was like yesterday. Yes, you rather go sit down. But me, I'm like, this is a unique thing. I've never done one ever, and then all of a sudden in 2 days I'm doing it. So I want to do it. Here I am. So I still come down to it. I'm good again. Never left the country yesterday, now he's everywhere. Oh yeah, why is that? Well, I should say container for each. Well, they didn't do anything about supply chain. Because they weren't expecting that. Trying to mess with the second. What you did is you locked the what you did is lock the autofocus to where whatever that was when you locked it.
Yes. Let's come back.
Yeah, you got nice railing, everything's good.
Right?
It's not windy.
It's not near as windy, no.
And not as hot. Oh, only a fire. Yeah, there should be a couple on Facebook, hopefully.
Yeah.
So we could dump a 360 out there.
How they built it. I think you're seeing them as a bloody boat. Alright, everybody smile!
Look up, look up.
We're looking up or down?
Oh, this way. Oh.
You're looking down now?
Looking up or down?
I know.
Taking one from down here.
He's gonna lean this way and do this.
Yeah. I'm on top of the world, Mom.
No, there's no way.
Yeah.
That's tough.
Smile through your mask.
Yeah. One part here. I don't know if they're on the other. I'm only going into one side.
We're good.
That's our capacity.
Yay!
I think it could be online. I just jumped yesterday. But I posted in the group about it. I thought it'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I don't want to push. You
Two
know,
lift hills in 2 days.
Yes.
push the boundaries, even though on their fight they've done it. They've used the drones to get that shot. It's not really going like 40 of them. So like 40 there's 8 people per train. 5 trains, 5 different shots, and everybody will get themselves in that picture. No big deal. I didn't meant to say this.
I mean,
I'll get somebody lock it in place up there.
I know. On one of the screws. I was like, I'm not bending. I'm not bending down to tie this though quite yet. Yeah, well, I can't believe it. I saw the pictures, but.
So my husband's going 60.
My legs are actually
Yeah, I think it is.
There's a robin egg here on the, and we just had Easter. I found an egg!
Yay! Oh.
Or maybe I won't.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
That was a fair trade. No.